Finally, in our section on hypertext links, I want to talk a little bit about the base element. This is it right here. What this does is it sets a different base for your hypertext links, for your relative links. In other words, when this link is clicked on, instead of tacking this relative link onto the URL where this page is loaded, which is in the subdirectory links in this page, it will instead use this as the base for the relative links and link to yet another .html in the miscellaneous directory. Let's take a look at this in the browser. Here I've loaded up this page and notice that it's in the links subdirectory under misc. And we have this relative link, and when I move my cursor over it, watch the status line down here. Notice that the link is creating a URL in the misc directory above, and when I click on it, we're not in the links directory, we're in the misc directory. And so yet another .html, when we look at that in the browser, in order to link back, it has to jump down to the links directory and then to base.html. And so when we look at that in the browser and I roll my cursor over it, notice that it's in the links directory that it clicks to get back to the first page. So in this document, we did not use a base element. And in this other document, we did use a base element. And so here, we could use the relative URL without a directory. And over here, we needed to actually use the subdirectory because we didn't have the base element. We needed to actually use the subdirectory to get back. So the base element sets you a different base for your relative links. It's useful sometimes when especially you need to move a document around on a website. You won't see it used very often, but it sure is good to know that it's there when you need it. So that's the base element.